Hello everyone, my name is Melanie and you are tuning in to Style of Living TV. Merry Christmas! As you may have known, Philippines celebrates the longest Christmas in the world. As part of Christmas tradition, we Filipinos decorate Christmas tree. And for this year, I am going to decorate this jackfruit tree as part of my Living Christmas Trees collection. Last year, Lola Moray, the original plantita, decorated her favorite bonsai tree and she used recyclables. This year, I am also going to use old Christmas balls and Christmas decors. Take a look at this. They are about to be thrown, but I wanted to use them. Maybe a little paint will do a miracle. I'll show you later. Because this channel promotes recycling and reusing of materials. So, are you ready? Let's start. So let me show you the unpainted pine cone, and this one is painted. So you see the difference. This one looks good. And this will be here. Okay. So let's make this broken Christmas ball more beautiful. And by the way, these paints were also leftover paints. So we better use them into something more meaningful. Is it okay here? Okay, let's make it. You might ask me, why am I spending time doing this? Well, upcycling is a very useful skill. If you can upcycle the things that you don't want to throw and you can save them, the better. Where are the scissors? So here. So this living Christmas tree is only one of the examples of my upcycling projects. So my living Christmas tree is done. Whoever want to donate some old Christmas balls, you can drop by your donations here so we can make this more beautiful. Or maybe if you're kind-hearted, you may donate a Christmas lights or Christmas lights. And again, we need to upcycle, because if we care for Mother Earth, we need to minimize our trash. Okay, this has been Melanie, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Merry Christmas!